Channel. So today we are going to check the basic data. So we are going to check for August month. So this was week 1, week 2 and week 3. Now week 4 has to start. Okay, so this was the close, open, close, open and close. So it was a positive decay for this week, and pretty much you could see here is the open and close are almost same. So it is almost the sideways days for most of the August. Okay, now we'll move on to the watch list, and you could see IV is still 11.3 supporting the OI. Now we will begin with the equity. So this is the start at 4 p.m. Nifty, when you check for percentage, on the negative side we have Tata Consumer, Bajaj Auto and Eternal. On the positive side we have Shipla, Dr. Reddy and Bajaj Finserv with 3 to 1% up. When you check for pre-open, it was a flat open actually. When you check for all, okay, so all, it was actually bullish. So let's move on to the FII. Okay, so FII, so this is the data we are going to check for FII. Okay, so this long and this is short. So long is buy position, short is sell position, call short is resistance, put short is support. Okay, so resistance and support, price is going to be here. It will push down, it will push up. Okay, simple price action 21 and 194. So definitely markets are bearish, and you check it is 42 and 35, complete resistances in control. Okay, now we will go and check for, I just want to check for stocks as well. So yep, let me check the stocks as well. Okay, so you could see we are going to check this for stocks long, short, call short and put short. So same pattern, 352 to 113. So here it is very bullish with stocks, and here it is 86 and 110. So still resistance is there. Now we'll move on to the holidays. We have Ganesh Chaturthi holiday and results for 22nd. So these are the upcoming results, you can check here. So not actually it's dividends. So there's a chance that whenever a stock gives dividends, then the price action will go down. So let's wait and watch. For 22nd we don't have any news, so tomorrow it could be sideways and with some a little turbulence at the first half of the day. Okay, now 2500 is definitely going to be our resistance for next week. 26,000 it has moved, so has a chance to do the gap up or do a breakout, because I'm expecting breakout in Reliance. When you check Bank Nifty, you have to check HDFC Bank. So HDFC Bank is pretty good. So I think 56,000 is a valued strike. Anything can happen from that point. When you check the OI, you could see the profit booking here. See how the profit booking is drifting down. But when you check for next expiry, at the same point, you see that same money is invested in building up. So if the OI is trending up like this, that means it is building up or they are investing equally. So as of now, tomorrow sideways possibility is more. When you check for BNF, Bank Nifty, you could see Bank Nifty is still in good phase, being sideways. Okay, so still decay option is there. Okay, now we'll check for straddle. Let me do a small price action comparison here. So Nifty, we know 100 is the open. So you could see a beautiful decay from 80, it just went to 16. That is the example how sellers are gaining very much if market is going to be the inside range. Inside range here. Okay, You could see how first candle is the rest of the candles is inside the first candle. When you check for next expiry, it is also showing the profitability. Now we'll check for BNF. Open for BNF is 55,900. Okay, 900. See how BNF and Nifty has opposite candles in the first candle range, but then after that both of them went sideways. This is also a very good profit. Okay, now let's just do a small P&L calculation. Okay, so here from 690 it just went to 600, so almost 90 points decay times one lot for Bank Nifty is 30. Okay, so 90 times 30 is 2700, which is profit plus tax and brokerage. Okay, so which is a profitable trade. Okay, so only 5 days left for BNF expiry. Since this is having the monthly expiry, we have a good scope to go from here. From 600 it might go up till 300. Okay, so that's it guys. Thank you.